I'm gonna show you how to make a paper airplane that's called Sectre. First you're gonna need a sheet of paper and fold it like this. After that, you're gonna fold it like this. Make a sharp point at the end. And the other side too. Put this into here. Now fold it like this. Then put it down. Unfold it, then flip it over. Poke the middle of the X. So all the folds will come out. This is called the water bomb. We're just gonna like this. Now get these two sharp spikes and then put it like this. Unfold the two, then fold this into there. Do the same. And put this down. It will show a little line like here. Fold it like this. Fold this into here with these sharp points. And then it's gonna pull it up. So we're gonna do it like this. This is a really bombing paper plane. I made it by Foldable Flight. Flip it over, put this down. I have another technique for these sharp spikes. Fold this like this and fold it like this. We're gonna fold it like this. Put this up. Do the same, but you're gonna do this. Or you can just do like this. Now fold this part down until it shows a little line. Now open this pocket up. Now fold this into this middle. Unfold this and do it on the other side. Fold it like this. Folding this into here. Folding this into here again. Open the pocket again, then fold it one more. Do the same on the other side. Flip it over, then we're gonna fold it like this. Fold it like this so we can show the spikes. You can deepen it to fold the wings. Now we're gonna put it down, fold it like this. Fold the two spikes like this so you can show the spikes. It's like the venom. Now it's done. You can fly. And I learned this from Foldable Fly. Like and subscribe. Bye guys.